Pocket Finance Card Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think prepaid cards are limited and inconvenient, but you won't believe what happens next when a card gives you control, security, and money management in one. The Pocket Finance Card is a UK-based prepaid card and mobile app designed for budgeting, payroll, and everyday spending. It works like a regular debit card but doesn't require a traditional bank account, making it accessible for freelancers, gig workers, and those new to banking. The surprising truth about Pocket is that it provides features usually reserved for full bank accounts. Users can manage balances, view transactions in real time, set spending limits, and even receive early access to wages through direct deposit. Most people get this wrong. They assume prepaid cards are expensive due to fees. While there are small monthly or transaction fees, the card avoids overdraft charges and provides financial control, which can save money in the long run. Pocket is best for people who want a flexible, safe, and transparent way to manage money without relying on traditional banks. The surprising truth is that prepaid cards like Pocket aren't just temporary solutions. They can be a smart way to budget and manage everyday finances. Subscribe for more honest finance tool reviews that help you take control of your money.